Assalamualaikum. Salam. Assalamualaikum. I'm Rafiqul Islam, ID 203142449. First of all, I would like to thank you, honorable teacher, to say something about this topic. And my presentation topic is personality. And what is personality? Personality is the sum of ways in which an individual reacts to and interacts with others. Most often described in terms of measurable traits that a person exhibitions such as shy, aggressive, submissive, lazy, ambitious, loyal, and timid. Then personality reflects heredity and environment. Heredity is the most dominant factor. Twin studies, genetics more influential than parents. Environmental factor do have some influences. Again, influences level of ability. Basic personality is constant. Then the five personality model. Extroversion captures our comfort level with relationships. Then extroverts assertive and sociable. Introverts is quiet and shy. Agreeableness an individual's professionality to dare to others. And high is cooperative, warm. Then low is cold and antagonistic. Conscientiousness. This dimension is a measure of reliability. Then high is responsible, organized. Then low is easily distracted and disorganized. Then emotional stability. A person's ability to withstand stress. And high is calm, confident, secure. And low is nervous, depressed, and insecure. Openness to experience addresses range of interest and fascination with novelty. And there is high. High is creative, and then low is conventional. Find comfort with in the similar. Other personality traits relevant to organizational behavior. Core self-evaluation, self-monitoring, risk-taking, type A personality, proactive personality values. Values tend to be relatively stable and enduring. Most values are established in early years. As children, we are told certain behaviors are always desirable with few gray areas. It is this black or white learning of values that ensures their stability and endurance. Terminal and instrumental values. Then what is terminal values? Terminal values the goals a person would like to achieve during his lifetime. Instrumental values. That means of achieving one's terminal values. Then instrumental values being responsible, dependable, reliable, ambitious. And terminal values true relationship, a comfort life. Values influence attitudes and behaviors. Suppose your value system says that allocating to pay on basis of performance is right, while allocating pay on the basis of seniority is wrong. How will you react if you find the organization you have just joined reward seniority and not performance? You are likely to be disappointed, right? This can lead to job dissatisfaction and the decision to not exert a high level of effort. Your attitude and behavior would be different if your values align to with the organization-based policies. That's all my presentation. Thank you, sir.